The first step you want is to use the alcohol pad to wipe the entire screen. Alcohol will dissolve oils and organic substances on the screen. Then is a piece of non-woven fabric, or what we call the dry wipe. Wipe the screen again to eliminate the water stains and some big specks of dust if have. The last step is the dust sticker. The trick here is to use your finger to hold two sides of the sticker and make it a roll. Take away all those small dust and you are ready to go. Take out the Protescreen protector. Double check the size. If you got the wrong size, go to Protescreen.com and contact us for a change. Make sure the red sticker side faces the screen. Peel off the red anti-stick layer. Carefully align to the screen edge. How you set the position in this phase will determine what you get in the end. But no worries. This layer is removable, so you can change it multiple times to make sure you get exactly the right place. Once you get the sweet spot, get rid of big bubbles and forget about those small ones. We are only set the position now. Now is the key moment. I am going to tell you all the tricks to apply the Protescreen. Lifting either side you like, I prefer left first. Make sure the protective layer is off. Land the edge of this layer on the screen. All you have to do is use the board gradually pushing the film on the middle, and another hand to give a counterforce to stabilize the tablet. Let's change to another view for clarity. Take up one side and make sure the protective layer is off and the edge is landing on the screen. Meanwhile, use the board to hold the middle and ready to push. Once your other hand fixes the tablet, you are good to push. Gradually push the film and check if any bubbles exist. If so, just go back a little bit and gradually do it again. Due to our glue quality, it rarely happened. The protective layer was stacked, but it's fine. You can leave the corner for later and start the other side. Same here, hold the midline, lifting, edge landing, fixing, and pushing. Then it's time to scrape bubbles on corners. It is super easy and feels comfortable for those people who have OCD like me. The blue sticker corner may not be easy to scrape. You can scrape them after you peel off the last protective layer. Peel off the last surface protective layer. You are 100% done. This looks fresh and clean. Give yourself some claps. You deserve it. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. That will help a lot. If you want to get yourself a Protescreen or you want to know more about Protescreen, check out Protescreen.com.